Alright, let's continue with our free traffic profits video series. And in this video we're going to be talking about free traffic from forum marketing. And forum marketing is an excellent way to get free traffic back to your website. In order to do forum marketing though, all you need to do is find a place where people in your niche hang out. It's really that simple. And so all you do is simply type in your niche plus forum into Google, and you're just going to see all kinds of results of forums and discussion boards that are related to your particular niche. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. And so here we are at Google, and what you want to do is with forum marketing, if you have no idea where to start or what forum to go to where people are discussing their problems or they're discussing their activities, then one method is to just simply use Google and you type in your niche plus forum. And so what I'm going to do right now is, since I'm in the internet marketing niche, if I wanted to find some forums in internet marketing, I would type in internet marketing plus forum. Okay, and that's all you would do. So internet marketing, and you can put plus sign and forum. And let's just see what comes up. So if you type in internet marketing plus forum, you can see there's a bunch of results here, but the number one result that comes up is the Warrior Forum. So if I were into internet marketing, that's definitely a place I'd want to hang out and do some forum marketing. There's some other ones on here as well, but you can definitely scroll through there and see what they are. But you definitely want to pick at least a couple. And then maybe eventually just one to really focus on. You don't want to pick too many just to be bouncing all over the place to do this technique. But I would just stick with maybe one or two. You could do more, depends on your time. And what you want to do is simply this. You simply want to join these forums, and they should be free to join. And you'll start to see some common topics that people are talking about. Like if I'm going over here to the Warrior Forum, for example, you're going to be able to see what people are discussing, okay? And you're going to be able to see problems that they're having on these different topics. And so you can simply respond to a question someone asks with helpful advice based on your experience. And so right now I'm over here at the Warrior Forum. And this is a great place if you're in the internet marketing space to definitely find some problems that are out there, and also find some solutions as well. So let's just go to the main internet marketing discussion forum and just kind of see what's out there. All right. And so if I'm looking in this particular forum, and of course your niche may be totally different, but let's take a look at this one. Again, people are commenting and listing problems that they're having, and they're trying to figure things out. So some very interesting thread topics here. But as you can go, you would just go through here basically. Here's one right here, need advice for my new website. Okay, so let's click on that and see what happens. And so here's a person that says they started a new website to sell affiliate products, and they give you some stats. And they said expert advice needed. And so obviously if you know websites and that's your thing, you're very technically knowledgeable about websites, and you definitely could respond to this person, right? And so they're talking about backlinks and that kind of stuff. And so there's definitely some responses here. And so here's what you do. When you respond to someone's question, you see these down here. These are signature links, okay? And so what you want to do is you want to respond to a question, provide really helpful advice, okay? You just don't want to spam the threads out there and say, great job, or something like that. You want to give them advice, but once you give them advice, your signature links down here will definitely be a place that other people who are reading the responses to those questions will click on. And what you want to do is you want to be sure to place these signature links in whatever forum that you're going to. Make sure that they allow them. And a lot of forums do, but some don't. So just make sure they actually allow the signature links at the bottom after you reply, and help someone out and give some helpful advice to them. So that's pretty much it. That's forum marketing. It's a technique that has worked well for years, and it will continue to work well in the future. It's never going to go out of style. It's not a fad technique or anything like that, because it's real simple. As long as people have problems and you can answer their questions and they'll allow signature links, then you're in good shape. This is a great way to get free traffic and even sales back to your website. It's as simple as that. So that's how forum marketing works. Now, another way to get some great ideas on where to find forums in your niche market is this website right here. It's called BoardReader. And BoardReader is basically a directory, a search engine of forums. And so if you don't want to use the Google technique, which I still think is a great technique, your niche plus forum, try that out. Then you can definitely go to BoardReader, and it will list all the forums that are out there. Okay, so let's just run through an example here. Let's just say my niche is totally unrelated to internet marketing, and let's say I have a niche on back pain. Okay, and I have a solution for back pain. So I'm going to type that in, and it looks like we have some forums right here on back pain. Now, obviously, some of these are from different places, but anyone else have mild back pain? Okay, so if you were to click on that, it would definitely take you to a forum on that. Heavy backpacks can cause back pain. So again, if you had some advice on carrying a backpack, and what to put in it and how to make it less heavy, that would definitely be a place for you to start. Treatments and healing, and so on. So again, this is a great website. It's called boardreader.com. Great website to just to find forums by typing in your subject that you want to try to find a problem and a solution for. And so I definitely recommend you visit boardreader.com to find some forums today. And one more thing, the thing about forums that you need to keep in mind with your signature link and everything is, if you just do 5 posts a day on a forum, okay, let's say you go visit some of these forums and you do 1 post on one forum and maybe a couple of posts on another. If you just do 5 posts per day, then you're going to have over 150 backlinks to your site in just 1 month. So that's not bad for contributing thoughts and answering a few questions each day. And so that wraps it up on forum marketing, free traffic from forum marketing. And I definitely recommend that you use this technique. And like I said, real simple, 5 posts per day, 150 backlinks in 1 month to your site. Can't beat that, and it really does work. It's a great method to use, and I highly recommend that you try it out. All right, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll give you some more awesome free traffic resources.